Fighting the Bird Part 1.
Hello! Hi!
Hi?
You know, you're a stupid ass.
What did you just say to me? Get stupid baby.
No, please! No! Ow! Ow! No, no, no! Ow! Ow!
Had enough of you.
Fuck you!
What did you just say to me? Did you just say that?
Yeah, I just said that.
Are you sure you just said that to me?
Yeah, I'm sure I said that. You dumb moron.
Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. What you get?
No. No. Please don't. Please don't. Please. Don't. Don't. Please don't. Don't. What are you gonna hit me with, huh? Oh, dear boy. Please don't. Please don't. Please. Ah! 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 Oh, my boingaloings. Oh, my boingaloings. Nothing but the flesh. Nothing but the flesh. No. No. No.
You kind of sound like SpongeBob. Meh.
It's not funny. Oh, no. No.
Get over here.
No. Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's what you get. Subscribe if you like this video, and peace out.